Good day, everyone. This is Vincent Tan speaking. This time, I'm going to talk about TOSO Multi VRF, short for TNV, the introduction for North American market. This is the general introduction. If you are interested in TNV specified product, please go to watch the other videos for more detail. This sharing device into these 6 parts. I have put the corresponding video linkages at the below description area just for your reference. Moreover, I also provide the quality subtitle. Don't forget to turn it on if you need. Outdoor unit light up. Slide I summarize all the TNV6 top discharge or top flow outdoor unit. First feature is the power supply. It is 230 volt, 3 phases. The second is we integrate heat pump and heat recovery function together in the same outdoor unit, which means according to the project require, we offer the same outdoor unit and you can just decide whether you need to connect to this additional mode exchanger, also called branch box, to achieve the heat recovery or not. And the third is, let's focus on this table. You can find that at the upper side is the TNV6 regular series. Lower side is the TNV6 Upcho series. For the regular series in the single outdoor unit, it is from 6 ton to 14 ton. And here is the model. We can also put different outdoor units together to enlarge the capacity. Max we support 3, 10 together to achieve 30 ton. And at the lower side, the capacity is from 6 to 10 ton for this Upcho series with the same cases of the outdoor unit. Also, it support modularized. Max is 2, 6, 8 together to achieve 16 ton. As for the certificate, both series has the basic AHRI and ETL, and for the Upcho series, it has additional NEEP and Energy Star. Outdoor ambient operating range. For this TNV6, I just compare the regular and the Upcho series. So in cooling mode, the operating range is the same. Lower limit -5 and upper limit achieve 52 degrees Celsius. As for the heating operating range, our upper limit is the same, but lower limit Upcho series is as low as -30, but regular is only -25. Besides, for the 8 and 10 ton of the Upcho series, we claim it can maintain 100% capacity until -20 degrees Celsius. But for the regular, it's only until 7 degrees. Lower than that, you can find it, the capacity just become lower. How to achieve the heat recovery in the same system? It is that with this outdoor unit, no matter it is regular or the Upcho series, you need to connect with this mode exchanger. And from here, we can transit the heat and cool demand between the indoor units. And for this, we can achieve cooling and heating simultaneously even in the same system. Besides, by transfer the cooling and heating amount between the indoor units, we can greatly improve the system efficiency. In other words, you can save more power. This slide shows how we combine the heat pump and heat recovery in the same outdoor unit. You can find that on the outdoor unit there are 3 pipes coming out, right? So for the heat pump system, you just need to connect the liquid pipe and the high pressure gas pipe to the indoor unit. Then you can achieve this heat pump function. And for the heat recovery, then you need to connect additional low pressure gas pipe to the mode exchanger. Then from mode exchanger, connect to the indoor units. Then you can achieve this heat recovery, which is the cooling and heating at the same time for the indoor units. TNV6 performance comparison. First, let's focus on the Upcho Mini. So I just compare the Upcho and the regular in the TNV6 Mini. You can find that at 5 degree Fahrenheit, which is -15 degrees Celsius, the heating capacity will improve a lot just with this comparison. And for the outdoor unit noise also improve. As for the torque discharge, first is at the heat tank COP, which is the efficiency at this temperature. We can find it improve, right? And the reason is the compressor configuration is different for the regular and the actual. Just follow this pattern. You can find that this 72K BTU also applies single compressor, but the outdoor unit case, it is double fan, which is bigger size. And for this one, we can achieve a higher efficiency. Wood exchanger product lineup. In this table, here is the model. There are total 4 models. From this model, you can find it here. The value 1 means the branch quantity is only 1, 2 means 2, and max is 8. And for this one branch, not only connect only one indoor unit, but it can support up to 8 indoor units, which means we can put 8 indoor units together to connect to this branch. And the next feature for this one is you can also focus on this one. And from here, there are different size of the copper tube, means you can connect to the indoor unit if there are different piping size. The next feature is we also support the series connected, just like this. You can find it on this mode exchanger. The left and right side, there are always 3 pipes, so you can just series connecting together. For this one, you can save the installation space or easier to install the indoor units. TMV Mini outdoor unit lineup. For this one, always there are 2 series, TMV 5 Mini and TMV 6 Actual Mini. And focus on this one, there are 5 cases, which is from 2 ton to 5 ton. And for the Actual, there are 3, which is from 3 ton to 5 ton. And for this TMV Mini, it's not support the modularized, which means this is the maximum capacity, max 5 ton. As for the certificate information, also beside the basic HRI and ETL for Actual Mini, there are another NEGP, Energy Star, and also the CEE certificate. Operating range comparison for TMV Mini. And in this table, you can find that for TMV 5 Mini, for the cooling is only up to 48 degrees Celsius. But for TMV 6 Actual, it can go to 54. And for the lower limit, for Actual, which is it can achieve minus 18. And for the heating, this time the upper limit is the same, but for the lower limit, Actual Mini can as low as minus 30, but TMV 5 Mini only minus 20. As for the capacity for Actual 6 Mini for 3 and 4 ton, we claim until minus 20 degrees, we can make the heat tank capacity 100%, no decrease. But for TMV 5 Mini, only until maybe 5 or 6 degrees. That's all for this sharing. If you still have any other question, suggestion, you can feel free to send me to my email address. Meanwhile, you can also scan this QR code to access the sharing presentation. Hasta la próxima. それではまた今度。